Welcome. In front of me I have a TCL 205 and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. I'll be using tempered glass for just a little bit different device, as you can see, but because the screen size is virtually the same, it will work just fine. Now, with your tempered glass, once you have it, you can take it out. You'll also most likely have a wet and a dry wipe. Now you can use those if you want to, but personally I would probably recommend using something like a microfiber cloth like this one, if you have one. If you don't, I guess you can use those. But not only are these wipes extremely small, just to show you, sometimes they're not even wet, at least the one that's supposed to be. It's number 2, and number 3, the solution that they use on them leaves smudges on the display. So just to kind of show you, as you can see, it's now wiped off, and if I try to clean it off, it's just like really meh. There we go. So that's why I don't really like using them. I prefer to use my microfiber cloth, though like I said, it's up to preference. Anyway, once you grab your glass, you will see that it has a little pull tab right here. For me, it only has one. Sometimes there will be tempered glass that has 2, so one on this side, and then when you flip it, there will be another one to peel right here. They're usually numbered like this, as you can see, 1 and 2, just to kind of show you what I mean. This is not exactly a exact comparison because number 1, it has start and finish. Number 2, this is not actually a tempered glass. But the premise is basically the same. So you have start, and then if you flip it over, you have finish, or 1 and 2. The finish part, or number 2, would be the part that you peel off once you actually already plopped it onto the screen. So in this case, once you place it like this, you just peel that off. But for me, like I said, I only have one part, so once I peel that off, it will reveal the sticky side under it. So yeah. Anyway, another thing that I'll mention is the way I apply my tempered glass. For the people that might be just looking for a way of doing it, this is obviously not the only way, but it works for me, so that's what I usually use. So the way I do it is I would just place one end, so for instance at the top of it, aligning it with the top of the phone. If you have a cutout for your camera, make sure that it aligns correctly, so you just kind of wiggle it around till it fits around the camera, and you want to pinch the device along with just trying to pinch the display just a little bit. It will position the tempered glass in the middle of the screen, which is what you want, and from there, doing the same kind of logic when you're holding it, like as you can see, like I am, you just start putting it down, and you start kind of pinching the body of the phone again, just to get the middle portion of it, so you drop it evenly, and then you place it down, and it should be in the place where you want it to be. So there we go. Additionally, if you have a case on your phone, that might help you a little bit, because the actual screen protector cannot apply really outside of the screen. It will just get stopped by the bezels of like the screen, or not screen protector, the case of the phone. So this case on the phone might help you. It's just kind of like a bumper, a guidance for the actual tempered glass. Anyway, now to get started, you will want to clean off your display. You want to do it fairly good. Now for me, I already have my phone cleaned, apart from maybe just something that is right here. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Now you do want to pay attention to dust specifically. Once you clean it off, the only thing that you will pay attention is dust. So if any kind of like speck of dust, kind of like I have one right here, settled, I'm just get rid of it, because dust may cause air bubbles under the tempered glass once you place it down. So anyway, gonna keep this right here just in case. So let's just peel that protective layer off. So we'll reveal a sticky side right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply it. And there we go. Now, as you can see, it's basically gluing itself to the screen, and that's it. And you can see it's perfectly applied. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.